Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to use wireless charging on any iPhone. Now to do that, first of all, just make sure that your iPhone supports wireless charging. Now if you have any iPhone from iPhone 8 onwards, they support wireless charging. In front of me, I have a wireless charger, and as you can see, it is currently turned on. Now, to use wireless charging on your iPhone, just place your iPhone on the wireless charger and make sure to align it properly. Now, as you place your iPhone on the wireless charger, it will show this animation. Now, once you see this animation, or if you see the lightning icon on the battery, this means that your iPhone has started wireless charging. Now, if you place your iPhone in a wrong way on the wireless charger, it will stop charging. That is why just make sure to align your iPhone properly on the wireless charger. And this is how you can use wireless charging on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.